Hi, this is Laura Bomi. This is your week 1 video, and if you have not already watched the welcome video for the course, please make sure you do so. It is available under the Start Here link, and this video will cover just the assignments under week 1. In order to find the weekly activities and assignments, on the left in Blackboard there's a link called Weekly Activities. You click on it, you will get to all the weekly activities. Start in week 1 by clicking on it. Each week you will see there's a list of student learning outcomes. There is information about the chapter or chapters to be read and reviewed. And I also provide chapter summaries. This first chapter is not very long, so I did not provide that. But in subsequent weeks you will see there's a summary document with the chapter area that you can use for your quizzes and learning. In addition, you will have a quiz each week. They're typically about 10 questions. You have 3 chances to get your best score. Then you have anywhere from 2 to 3 assignments each week that you will be working on. This week you have 2 additional assignments beyond the quiz, and one is just to get you into the concepts of what is human resources, and then another one that you will see that each week you will have a case study to work on, and I will demonstrate how you will work on that. It is a journal that you will keep throughout the term, and each week you will just click on it and add your information based on the case study that is linked. So in order to get started, the book you will see is online, as I mentioned in the welcome video. Each week in the weekly areas you will see that the chapter or chapters are linked. If you click on it, it will take you to the book. You can either download the book or just hit read book if you don't want to download it. When you click on the read book option under contents, if you click on the down arrow, you will see each of the chapters in week 1. If you click on this is chapter 1. We will only be covering this first chapter. You can go ahead and read the chapter, and then when you are done, you can just close your browser, or if we have more than one chapter, you can go into those subsequent chapters and read those. And for your information, to jump to the next pages down, it's kind of a little bit hard to find sometimes, but down here in the bottom right, if you click on the next button, it will take you to each of the areas that you read in the chapter. So keep hitting next, and then you will see you'll get to eventually the next chapter. And then in this, for our cases at the end of the assignments that I've asked you to do for your journal, you will find them at the end of the chapter. And essentially the case gives you some scenario, gives you questions or something to respond to, and that is the part that you will do in your journal. When you're done with the book, you just close your browser, make sure you come back to Blackboard and complete the other assignments. Each week, as I mentioned, you will have a quiz. You just click on the title, the quiz. It will start, hit begin, and then you just begin answering the questions. Again, you have 3 chances to get your best score. For this assignment, when it's an assignment, you have to turn something in like Microsoft Word. You click on the title. It gives you the points and the instructions. And then in this case, you are to use the template that's assigned, and it gives you the information that you need to complete the assignment. You click on it, it will open in Word, and then you just answer the question, hit Enable Editing, answer the question, save the document somewhere so that you can find it, and then close your Microsoft Word, and then come back to Blackboard and make sure you upload your assignment. You hit Browse Local Files, find the document. There it is. Hit Open. Make sure it is listed in here, and then you hit the word Submit to submit it into your assignment. So that's how you would work on this. And then for the case study, which is the journal, you click on the title, and then you will see you've got a journal area. You hit Create Journal Entry, you type the week 1, and then you can put case study if you'd like, and then you go ahead and answer the case study questions. And then make sure at the very end you hit Post Entry. Okay? And so when you're done with that, make sure you go then back to the announcement for that particular week, which happens to be week 1. Review everything both in the announcement and in the summary at the bottom, and make sure that you have done all that you need to do. One additional note about the student community: you will have a weekly prompt for the student community, and you click on it. This is how you would access it. You hit the word student community, and then you just hit create thread. Many of you have already started making your posts for the week 1 introduction. So don't forget to do that. Once you hit create thread, you type, similar to the journal, type your information and then hit submit. Okay, so again, make sure you go into the weekly activities, week 1, complete all the assignments, then go back, look at your announcement, make sure you've made your student community post, and if you have any questions at all, my instructor info is listed here, and I am happy to meet with you if you ever need help. I can meet via Zoom or phone, and the best way to get in touch with me is by email. Good luck, and thank you for your time.